another perfect book for us to read, and it's by John Bergerman, and it's called Everybody Worries, and it's a picture book for children who are worried about coronavirus, because I think we're all a little bit worried about it, aren't we? Because we don't really know what it is. We just know that it's a really nasty germ that can make us very, very poorly. And it's a bit confusing why all the schools are closed and you can't go to the ice cream shop and you can't go to the toy shop, you can't go to the leisure centre for your swimming lessons. So this book here is to help us all and to help us talk about our worries as well. And this is another free book on Oxford Owl, Mammies and Daddies, so you can read it anytime you like. Look at this lovely rainbow though. Look, this little one's my Indrist. He's inside, isn't he? And he's feeling a little bit sad. Even the bravest of the brave and the coolest of the cool can worry about something big or worry about something small. Even the toughest of the tough and the smartest of the smart can be worried by noises they hear in the dark. And look, creak, squeak. It's only me, and it's only a tiny mouse, but look how big his shadow is. Because sometimes, if we don't know what's there or don't know what's out there, we get even more worried, don't we? What you find worrying, others might find fun. Worries aren't always the same for everyone. But sometimes an event turns the world upside down. And everybody worries and wears a long frown. Worrying is normal when so much has changed. It's okay to worry when things don't stay the same. Because all these things are closed, aren't they? We can't go to the park, we can't go to the cafe, Mummies and daddies can't go to the office, everyone's got to stay home. You can't go and give your neighbours a big cutch. You can't see your grandparents and give them a big cutch. And all these people have got their rainbows in the window. Have you got your rainbows in the window? So at the moment, everything has changed and everything is different, isn't it? Your head might ache and your heart beat quickly as worries rise like a wave and make you feel sickly. So let's talk to each other. We might all feel the same. Let's draw our worries and give them a name. Let's take 3 breaths, slow and deep. Let's exercise, eat well and get enough sleep. Let's speak to our family and friends on the phone. Let's paint beautiful rainbows to show we're not alone. Sharing our worries can make us feel better. Showing our feelings brings us together. Look at everyone out on their balconies with their rainbows. Some are blowing their trumpet, somebody's playing a guitar, somebody's throwing toilet roll. Look at all these things going on. It's okay to be worried, but this won't last forever. We can overcome anything when we're there for each other. Oh, isn't that true? Because we're all there, even though Mrs. Richards isn't with you right now, you were in my heart every single day, and every single day I think about you, don't I? And every day I'm thinking, I hope they're okay. I hope they're not worrying about anything. And look, this says, this book is dedicated to all the caregivers, care workers, delivery people, volunteers, teachers, artists, mask makers, and those giving their time, resources and love to help each other all over the world. And mummies and daddies, there's a really good set of links in here to help you as well. So there's some fantastic links here that mummies and daddies can use. And how fantastic was that book? And you know, it's important to realise that everybody worries about it, but don't forget to share those worries, because you know, once you've shared them, they become a lot smaller and they'll disappear. I can't wait to see you all. Take care, my lovely jubblies. Hwyl fawr.